Good morning, traders. So welcome back to the another gold analysis video. I hope you all are doing good. So yesterday we have seen that the market was moving in the sideward direction, right? And even like yesterday there was US holiday also, and there was not such any major news in the market. So because of that, we have seen a sideward movements. Plus, as like US market was closed, so many of the traders and in fact the big institutional players and hedge funds, like they also didn't enter into the market. So that is why, as we can see, the volume is very less in the yesterday market. Okay. So I hope you remember, like in my webinar classes where I have discussed regarding about the key indicators. So in that, one of the indicator was Bollinger Bands, right? And in Bollinger Bands, I have explained you that how we can read the market through this Bollinger Band indicator. And over here, I told you, when you have seen a big gap between the two lines, that means the market has much volatility and the volume in the market. But as you can see, the market contracts over here, and we have seen some consolidation. So as you can see, like yesterday, not many people were trading in this market or the yesterday market, as there was not such any major news, plus there was US bank holiday. Okay, now if I talk about today, so I hope you remember that today is a very important day, because today there is a meeting between Russia and Ukraine, and obviously Trump will also be there, and this meeting will be held in Saudi Arabia. So today's meeting is very important, because in this meeting they will talk and negotiate, right? They will put like whatever their condition is, and let's see like what comes on the table. Okay, as you know that Russia wants that Ukraine should not be a member of NATO, and Ukraine wants to be a member of NATO. So this is the main concern for the war, right? And Trump will be there, and obviously if everything goes well, then Russia would also talk to the US regarding about the sanctions. US has put the sanctions on the US oil, I mean, sorry, Russia oil, right? I hope you remember that. So obviously he will also talk about it. So if US remove the sanctions on the Russian oil, then obviously then we will be seeing more supplies in the oil market, and obviously this will impact on the oil market also. But that we'll discuss in the oil analysis. Over here we'll discuss about the gold market. Okay, so I hope you remember, like yesterday I have told you that 2906 is a very important level, right? And if market breaks the 2906, then the next level what we can look for, that is 2909, because 2909 was the pivot level of 0 0.5 standard deviation median level, right? So as you can see, the market has made the high of 2906.34, right? And then we have seen a reversal from here, as yesterday the market was not showing such movement. As I told you, there was a holiday, so market has moved in the sideward direction. Okay, the another thing which I want to highlight over here is, if you have attended my like chart pattern classes, right? So you must have seen that I have explained you about that flag and pole pattern. So in 1 hour time frame, you can also see that this is a flag and pole pattern, as you can see, right? So now in flag and pole pattern, you know, when the market breaks this level and sustain, then we can expect the market to go up, right? And as you can see, we can see a gap up over here, and currently market is at 2910. Okay, and 2909 is the deviation also, the median level also, because yesterday I have showed you in the Fibonacci retracement. And another thing is like 2909 is the resistance also. Okay, so if this momentum continues, then we can expect a market to go and retest the level of 2924 or 25, right? And if 2924 breaks, then we can expect a market to go till 293435. Okay, and if 293435 breaks, then we can expect a market to go till 2940, which was the second time high, and from that point we have seen a strong dip. So market retest this level. But if I talk about the another scenario, if market didn't break the level of this 2909, then we can expect a market to come down. Okay, then we can expect a market to come down and retest the level of 2895. And obviously if 2895 break, then market has this trend line support. Okay, now this is the another setup which I have shared over here, because the previous trend line, I hope you remember, my previous setups. Now this is the another trend line which I have made today. So as you can see, through this trend line, we got to know that the market has taken a support of this trend line, and then we have seen a strong pullback. Again, has market taken the support over here at this trend line. So let's see, if market comes down, then market has the support level at 2895, and if market breaks the level of 2895, then again market has this trend line support. And obviously if market break this trend line, then the another level what we can expect is that at 2881, and this is the very important level. As you know that at 2881 mark we have seen a multiple times rejection and pullback at this point of level. So this support level is very important. Okay, and if market successfully break the level of 2881, then we can expect a market to go till 2867 or 2860. Okay, now I would suggest over here is, as we know that today is a very important meeting, so I would suggest that you enter into the market when you got to know something about any updates regarding about the news. Because before that, if you take any position, okay, and let's say if any news comes which brings a lot of impact and volatility in the gold market, then obviously your position can be stuck. So that would be a risky movement for you if you are taking any certain position. Okay, so you need to trade very carefully if you are trading at that point of time. So this is the thing. Now, if I talk about today's market, so basically today we do not have such any important news beside that meeting. It's just like we have the Empire State Manufacturing Index, okay, and this is like a moderate news, not so very important, and like not very important. So let's see like what we can expect in this data. Otherwise, like whatever the important data is, that is like regarding to the other, like Canada, and then we have the GBP important data. Okay, so let's see what we can expect in today's market. um, I hope like you must have got the idea regarding about the market, and like what we can expect today. Okay, so I have told you both the levels, like in the buy positions also, and even I have told you in the sell positions also. Okay, now even if I just look in 15 minutes time frame, so see what I am trying to explain over here is, I have told you regarding about this Bollinger Bands, right? After seeing a such strong dip movement in the market, again we have seen a pullback, and as you can see how the market is moving in this sideward direction, and in 15-minute time frame you can clearly see that how we are seeing volume and volatility. As you can see, the gap between the two lines, this is contracts, right? The as the market is moving, the lines are contracting, the gap is like is decreasing over here. And then obviously if the gaps become lesser or decrease, then it means that the market has the less volume and volatility. And now we have seen like a change in the volatility in the market. So let's see like what we can expect for today's market. Okay, so I hope you must have got the idea regarding about the today's market analysis. Okay, so we'll meet in the next gold analysis video, traders. Till then, please do safe trading and happy trading. Thank you.